All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is our breaking news. Baba Obasanjo, disowned wife who apologized to Obas, says he stands by his action. All right, this is so funny. Baba Obasanjo, with everything, has stood by his action. Baba Obasanjo has stood by his action. Baba Obasanjo ti jáde síta báyìí o. Wọ́n ní ẹ gbàgbé woman, ẹ gbàgbé obìnrin tó jáde tó pe rẹ̀ níyàwó mi yẹn, ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀, imposter ni, ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o, mo ì dúró lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ nípa àwọn ọba. My brother, my sister, this is not funny at all. Yeah, so he has disowned the wife. In fact, some side of people have made it clear that Baba Obasanjo says the woman, is an imposter. But well, with the news reaching us here, it had actually shown that she happens to be the ex-wife of Baba Obasanjo. And then meanwhile, onto this one, Obasanjo, his own wife, who apologized to Oba, says he stands by his action. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has derived Madam Taiwo Martins, who apologized on his behalf for commanding some monarchs in Oyo State to stand up for Governor Seyi Makinde. Obasanjo had, while issuing the command to the monarchs at a public event, noted that a governor is more powerful than any king. Following the development, Madam Taiwo Martins, who claimed to be Obasanjo's wife, issued an apology on behalf of the former president. However, reacting to the apology, Obasanjo disowned the woman and then insisted that he stands by his comment. In a statement by his media aide Kehinde Akinyemi on Monday, Obasanjo expressed annoyance that one Ms. Taiwo Martins has authored a statement appealing to Obas as a husband, while conceding that the Oyo monarchs to stand up for the governor. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is reaching us. It is not funny at all. Yeah, so now the funny part of this now is that Baba Obasanjo had come out to let everybody know that this woman, I don't know how, she's not a member of our family. In fact, we don't know where she for come from. Well, and then with this picture we are seeing on screen, my brother, my sister, we can see the woman with Baba Obasanjo. Then why is Baba Obasanjo denying this woman? And Baba Obasanjo is saying this woman is an imposter. Such is life. Well, I already made it clear to everyone that as far as Nigeria is concerned, a lot of people are being frustrated to a greater level that they will just like let us believe some things. Some people will just believe some things that it's like it's true, or let's just believe it so that we can eat. There is frustration in the land. As it stands right now, a lot of people are still angry with what Baba Obasanjo said about how he humiliated the Yoruba monarchs. There's no two ways about it, and many people are still expressing joy that it is good for them. Yes, that when Chief Sunday Igboho was telling them that let us support Yoruba nation. If we have our own nation, nobody can order us around. Yes, according to what is going on, the attitude, the character, and the position of authority that the former president is actually claiming is for the Nigerian society, is for Nigerian politicians, and is for the rule of law that is happening in the country. So there's no two ways about it. The people have to take it the way they have seen it. Yes, majority of people have vindicated Chief Sunday Igboho also in on this one, that this is why Yoruba nation must stand, that this is why everybody must stand for the truth, so that the people who are supposed to be given honor will be given the rightful honor. Don't bring down Isheshe in Nigeria simply because you want to satisfy Nigerian politician. Don't disrespect Yoruba monarchs simply because you want to satisfy the politicians. What is obtainable should be obtainable. And then onto this, the ex-wife came out to apologize on behalf of Baba Obasanjo, that they should forgive Baba Obasanjo for anything that must have happened. But right now, Baba Obasanjo has now come out that nobody can talk on his behalf. Moreover, this same woman that is coming out to beg you people, I did not send her. That to the extent self, in fact, she's not even a member of Obasanjo's family. We don't know her. She's an imposter. And then with this picture we are seeing, my brother, my sister, that's to tell you that there's no truth in Nigeria. There's no truth at all. It's only the good Lord that will help us. What exactly is actually going on and exactly what we are actually talking about. Now, a lot of people are now of the opinion that either this woman, na your wife or na imposter, or dey part of Obasanjo family. Wetin we know be say this woman come outside and she talk on your behalf, because wetin the Oba dey say they wan do you, no be small thing o. And then probably the woman fit just come outside say, okay, I am doing this because of the children I have for him. Who knows? But with this picture we are looking at, where Baba wear native, in fact na anko dem even wear for here. So why Baba come dey say no this woman? Well, a lot of people have actually reacted in different forms onto this one, that as far as Nigeria is concerned, as far as opposition of authority is concerned, as far as the situation of Nigeria is concerned, and everybody is ready to bring himself down because they want to survive. That's exactly what some set of people even actually said yesterday. Say for these obas to be humiliated in this form, not that they don't know what to do, but they have lost their pride, they have lost their power to control things. How dare you, in those days when monarchs were still monarchs, you now come out and say monarchs should stand up and greet you? Then you have been a dead mate. Who does that? According to that, my friend say, who does that? Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things though had actually been said onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.